how to connect Payoneer to PayPal. So the first thing that we need to do is log into Payoneer and PayPal. Then here on the home page, I will select the currency of my country. So for example, this one. And then we want to click on get bank account details. Now here is going to load up the bank account, which we can use to link to PayPal. So just click on view details and you will get the account number as well as the routing number. Those are the two things that you'll need. Now after we have them, go back to PayPal here and we will select link a bank. So from this option, link a bank, you basically just want to input the information which you will get from this screen. Now the countries are different for me because it has detected a different country of residence for me, but it won't say IBAN number here. Instead, it will say account number and routing number for you, and you just want to connect the information from this screen onto here, and that's how you connect Payoneer to PayPal. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.